Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn in an assignment on Google Classroom. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Google Classroom and click on the teacher for where you'll be submitting it. So if you're submitting in My Google Classroom, you would click on My Classroom. Then up the top, you would click on to Classwork. So then you will see all of the different assignments that you have had. Alice on Monday. So if I want you to submit this assignment, you would click on the assignment, and then here's the assignment, but underneath the assignment, it says View Assignment. To turn in, that's where you click. You click on View Assignment. Then over here in the black, it says Mark as Done. Done means that you are finished. So if you are finished with the assignment, you want to go back into Google Classroom and mark as done. And then it will say you didn't attach work or whatever. You want to click mark as done again. And then that is how you submit it, and that is how your teachers can see it.